start our next session. Our next session is very interested, and this session is related to COVID-19. In COVID-19, coronavirus is everywhere, so you cannot touch the sanitizer. Therefore, we had designed one touch-free hand sanitizer dispenser. So no need to touch the sanitizer bottle, or just put your hand below the outlet. Sanitizer will automatically drop on your hand. So this is the circuit diagram for touch free hand sanitizer. In that we are using Arduino IR sensor to sense our hand. Then this is hand sanitizer water pump. To operate that pump we are using relay. So this is relay, this is freewheeling diode, this is indicator, and this is relay driver transistor as a switch. So pin number 8 is input, which senses the hand, and pin number 10 is relay, which controls the pump. So material required is Arduino Uno, then IR sensor module, relay module, small water pump, and 12-volt power supply. So this material we have to purchase for making this product. Then this is the program. So first initialization, pin number 10 is connected to relay, pin number 8 is connected to sensor. We are using sensor status variable to read the sensor status. Then void setup. In void setup, relay is output and sensor is input. We are initializing this input and output. Then loop. It is continuous program. So first sensor status equal to digital read sensor. So it will read the sensor status whether its output is active low or active high. If you put hand in front of the sensor, your output is low, otherwise output is high. So if sensor status is low, then your hand is there. So digital write relay high, so that pump will turn on. It will turn on for only 250 milliseconds, and then it will turn off for 2 seconds. Why we are doing this? Because if you put hand continuously below the sensor, the sanitizer will continuously drop it. So to avoid that, we are turning on sanitizer pump only for 250 milliseconds, and then we are waiting to remove the hand. And if there is no hand, then relay is off, so sanitizer pump is off. This is a simple program. Same program we had used for mini project. So we will load this program into Arduino and we will run the program. So we will see the demonstration of this industrial product. You can modify this product as per your requirement. Now this is your lockdown period, so all material is not available. So I had designed the circuit according to my availability.
It is very simple.
So we will see the video.
This is my hardware. So this is my Arduino board and this is my shield. In this shield I am using only relay as a switch. Relay as a switch. Then I am using this IR sensor to sense the human, or to sense the hand, and I am using this water pump, or you can say sanitizer pump, to supply the sanitizer. To operate this pump I am using this relay as a switch. So by using this relay you can turn on and off the pump. So this is proximity type sensor. So when you put hand, automatically water will come. Okay, so this is touchless hand sanitizer. So when you put hand in front of this, automatically you will get sanitizer. So no need to touch anything, just put hand, you will get sanitizer. So this is simple hand sanitizer. The cost of this system is maximum 600 rupees. So this is you can make at home. So this is useful for all. This is in nowadays we can use this for home, offices, anywhere, after proper customization, after proper presentation. So this is simple electronic circuit, touchless hand sanitizer using Arduino Uno. So just put hand here, you will get sanitized. So this is simple hand sanitizer. Thank you for watching this video.
Now this is commercial hand sanitizer. In this, just put hand, you will get the spray. So the nozzle is spray shape, so you are getting spray. This is available in market. Again, there are different devices, different products are available in market. So we can customize this and you can use this for our. You can make the product of this and you can use it in our college also, at home, everywhere we can use this. So this is simple hand sanitizer without touching the pot. So this is simple product hand sanitizer, touchless, touch-free hand sanitizer.